Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dipped in Chocolate. So from the title down below, you don't know, so today we are going on a date. And I am taking you guys with me. You guys will be getting ready with me, doing the little stuff before I leave out and everything. So let's go. So first of all, I'm gonna go take a shower and then I'm gonna come and do my little makeup, and then we are just gonna, you know, get ourselves sorted out. Okay, so let's go. So just finished showering, and I'm going to brush my teeth. So this is my face before the makeup. So let's see after. So I basically started off with some moisturizer because if you guys have seen before, my face is really dry. I don't know what is causing my face to be really dry, but I think it's because I'm not moisturizing my face. So I'm just using a moisturizer to moisturize my face, and I'm going to start on my eyebrows as usual. So I start to basically brush them out, and then I go ahead with the eyebrow pencil. Now I'm applying the foundation. I mix two foundations to get my exact shade. I'll be leaving the link to the foundation down below, and I think the outcome is really cute. As I said, I am a starter makeup girly, so I'm gonna try a thing and make a thing work. Hey guys, so this is the final look. Let me give you so I have this skirt set from Shein, slippers from Bridget's, Andorra, and H&M. H&M on the necklace. So I'm gonna walk into the car. They have the bowling alley, you have the bar and grill over there, and you have some other attractions around the back. So it looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna get ready to do what I came here to do. So let's go. we've been here for, about 30 minutes. I am getting hungry, so I might go get a snack or something because I'm getting hungry. But it's nice so far. I hope you guys are hearing me. Yeah, more ketchup. So guys, so far it is okay. Can't complain. Makeup still on. Still looking cute, see demure and mindful. Yeah. Soon I'm gonna go home. But it's good so far. So guys, now I'm heading home. It was such a good night. My girl come pick me up. Period poo.
I'm just saying. Shit. Damn.
No shit, Sherlock.
Damn, something my stomach.
Wonder what's making your tummy big. Like, hey, what's going on? So guys, it was such a good night, Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to be notified when a girl did chocolate uploads another video. Bye.